Never, ever let anyone put you down. Because in this real world, only those who are stronger and wiser will then definitely called as survivor. Standing in front of you is a 21-year-old stunner, all the way last from the biggest and largest barangay in our country today. From Barangay 176, Bagong Silang, Caloocan City. I am a definite proud product of the Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City Campus. Whether you believe it or not, I am a certified registered nurse of the Republic of the Philippines and currently pursuing my Master's of Nursing at the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila. I am working as a National Board Reviewer and University Professor handling the subject matter, Pediatric Nursing. But tonight, please do allow me to fulfill one of my dreams, and that is to become a beauty queen. I am one of the pride of the Bermudez beauties. My name is Princess Bermudez, and so tonight, do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, considered as one of the most beautiful, sexiest, and wears the most angelic face in the Philippine showbiz industry. Ako po, ang babaeng, huwag niyong pakatignan-tignan, baka hindi niyo na maiwasan. Ang babaeng huwag niyong pakahawak-hawakan, baka hindi niyo na mabitawan. Ako po, ang babaeng nagpapatibok sa malibog na puso ni Mr. John Lloyd Cruz. Barangay 121, sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan sapagkat ngayong gabi, ako po si Binibining Angelica Panganiban. Angelica Panganiban, naniniwala sa isang katagang. Kailanman po, hindi naging masama ang pagiging bakla. Sa paningin ng tao, lalong-lalo na sa paningin ng Diyos, kung hindi po kami gagawa ng aming sariling ikasasama. So, Board of Judges, let the beauty and brain battle begin. Sabi nga po ni Raisa, bawal ang sa dapat happy! Thank you very much.